Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to stop Grafana server. Now the first thing I want you to do is come to the bottom left and click on search and then just type in run. Okay, so here's the app right here and all I want you to do is click on open. Alternatively, what you could do is just press Windows plus R on your keyboard. That is the shortcut to open up this run dialog. And then I want you to just type in services.msc. Click here on OK. This will open up all the services you will currently have running on your Windows computer. Then I want you to just scroll down until you find Grafana. So you should be around G right here. So as you can see, Grafana is actually running. That's the status. To stop it, you can click here on stop the service, or you could right click and then just click here on stop. And there you go. Windows is attempting to stop it and it has been stopped. Let's go back to your browser. And if we refresh, this should not load up basically. And there you go. So that is how to stop a Grafana server.